Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to move Spectrum router to another room. So here are your Ethernet, Coax and MoCA options. Step 1. Locate an active coaxial outlet. Walk to the new room and locate a silver threaded coaxial wall outlet. Ensure the outlet is connected to your home's central spectrum service line. Clean any dust or debris out of the center hole of the wall port. Step 2. Power down your network hardware. Walk to the current setup room and unplug the Spectrum modem power cable. Unplug the power cable from the Spectrum router as well. Disconnect the coaxial cable and the yellow Ethernet cable linking both devices. Step 3. Relocate the modem and the router. Pack up both devices, their power bricks, and all connection cables. Carry all the equipment directly into the new room. Place the router on an elevated open surface to maximize your Wi-Fi signal. Step 4. Secure the coaxial connections. Take your coaxial cable and screw one end tightly into the new coaxial wall outlet. Screw the other end securely onto the coax in port on the back of the modem. Hand tighten both connection caps clockwise until they cannot rotate further. Step 5. Boot up the modem first. Plug the modem's power adapter back into a wall electrical outlet. Watch the front status lights on the modem closely for 2 to 5 minutes. Wait until the online or power indicator light turns solid blue or green. Step 6. Link the router via Ethernet. Plug one end of the yellow Ethernet cable into the modem's yellow Ethernet port. Plug the opposite end into the yellow Ethernet or WAN port on your Spectrum router. Never plug this cable into the standard internal LAN port. Step 7. Power on the Spectrum router. Plug the router's power adapter into the wall electrical outlet. Wait approximately 5 to 10 minutes for the internal boot sequence to complete. Ensure the status light changes from flashing status to a solid blue color. Step 8. Reconnect your smart devices. Turn off Wi-Fi on your smartphone or laptop, then toggle it back on. Connect to your usual Spectrum Wi-Fi network name. Open a web browser page to confirm your internet access is fully functional. Step 8. Restart and test your service. Turn your phone completely off, wait for 10 seconds and power it back on. Turn off your Wi-Fi in your quick settings panel to force a cellular network check. Place a test phone call and browse a web page to verify that your active 5G or LTE data is working. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.